Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So today my shop is a wreck after my recent beam hammer build and a bunch of customer jobs going through the door and a bunch more that are coming in through the door that I need to take and get prepared for. I need to get this place cleaned up. So hope you guys enjoy this short little time lapse of me cleaning up the shop, and I got a few things to talk about shop cleanliness at the end of it. Thanks you all for watching. Okay everyone, there you go. Does it look any cleaner? No, it doesn't, not really. But anyways, I just want to take a close with just a few thoughts and a few statements here about shop cleanliness. It is pretty important to take and have a clean workshop if you can. This takes and helps with not tripping over things, getting stuff underfoot. That's one of the dangers in a blacksmith shop. It's a tendency to just drop hot steel, put it anywhere. You start on another project, before you know it, you've dropped hot steel again, and it just builds. Scale can get slippery if it's on the right kind of floor, or if you get it deep enough. Just a lot of hidden dangers there. Sharp things, bits that you cut off, and things of that nature. You should just really take a moment to clean up your shop after the end of your forging every day. It just helps clear out your mind and help you start the next day. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little video. Sorry it wasn't much, but I'm just bringing you along with a little bit of what I do each and every day for this period of time here. If you're new to the channel, stick around. There's over 380 videos on the channel here on the subject of blacksmithing. So, make sure to check out the actual channel itself and, search through some of the playlists. Maybe there's something here that might interest you enough that you'd like to subscribe and hit that little bell notification if you believe what we believe in. So thank you all so much for watching this video. God bless you all, and we'll catch you on the next one.